So throughout the day, your colon also won't be clean. Colon not being clean means you're asking for problems. Your colon should be clean always. In yoga, there's enormous importance to this. In any of the traditional systems, you will see, if you go to an Ayurvedic doctor or a Siddha Vaidya or anybody, first thing is he'll purge you, because he knows that most of your problems are because of unclean colon. And the way people are eating today, keeping the colon clean is going to be a big challenge for them. Suppose you eat one big meal, like we normally do, one big meal, and either we don't eat anything else, or if we are too active, maybe we eat a fruit or something, you will see your colon will always remain clean. And people should try this, they must purge themselves one day and see how it feels. Suddenly, there is something light and beautiful about you. Every day